What's going on, everybody? My name is Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. And on this video, I want to show you all how I made this Z06 emblem. I'm working on custom Z06 emblems for the Corvette. These are the factory ones. I'm not putting these back on. I want to go with something different. So I have these Z06 emblems that I purchased off of eBay. It's just a flat black plastic, and the inside actually comes out and you're left with this. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting it on like this, I have an American flag decal, and you can see one that I've already worked on. I'm going to be doing the American flag in the background, and the emblem I'm actually going to be painting gold, and then I'm going to put a clear coat over the top. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm working on here before I get too far. That's the back cut for one of them. You can see it'll go something like this. And it should pop a lot more once it's painted gold. So here's an update of the logo painted gold with the clear coat, and you can see the flag design behind it. So now I'm going to get this on the Corvette. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.